Hello students, myself Muthura JNP, working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering, Mysuru 2. Let me explain about the problem on inlet radial and exit axial turbine. Okay, inlet will be radial and exit is axial. This kind of the situation will be there, that condition will be there in the examination. Don't get confusion or panic in the examination hall. Whatever the procedure I'm telling you people, you please follow the same procedure. Whatever the problem it will be given. Please first read the problem properly. What is the problem given? You read the problem properly. See what in red mark, some red I'm highlighted something. These are all the very important catchy points where you can do the problem and then you can assess the data. So when you can assess the data and same thing you can analyze on your own, and you can give the answer. That is what is so called engineering. They will give the data. This is very simple things. Whatever the things you are learning, same thing you will going to replicate in the examination, or that will be the engineering. Please analyze these data properly. Definitely you can solve the problem. Let me read out the problem. In an inward flow radial vane turbo machine has the following data. The power developed in the rotor is 150 kilowatt and it is running at 32,000 rpm. Okay, 32,000 rpm. Outer diameter of the impeller is 20 centimeter. Inner diameter of the impeller is 8 centimeter. Absolute velocity of the fluid at entry is 387 meter per second. Absolute velocity at the exit is 193 meter per second and it is axial in the direction. See, this is the very important catchy word, axial in the direction. Construct the velocity triangle at the entry and the exit and determine the mass flow rate. Very simple problem. Mass flow rate they are asking you people. See, 150 kilowatts. This is in SI unit, RPM SI unit, 20 meter per centimeter. You just convert that one into the meter. So this one will be the everything is in the same units. So you convert everything into the SI unit. Very important. So write down the data. In the data I am extracting some words. An inward flow radial vane turbo machine. Turbo machine, radial inward flow turbo machine means it is a turbine. Keep in your mind. When it is comes inward flow turbo machine, in the turbo machine you have work absorbing machine and work developing machine. Turbines are work developing machine. Work absorbing machines are fan, compressors, your blower, this pump. These are the work absorbing machine. But inward flow means turbine. Keep in your mind. That is very important catchy word. Second is radial vane at inlet. That means radial vane at inlet means 90 degree. Beta 1 is equal to 90 degree. Every angle you are taken with respect to the blade speed. That means beta 1 will be 90 degree with respect to the U1 blade speed. Getting my point? Blades are radial at inlet. Blades are radial at inlet. Beta 1. Absolute velocity of at exit is 193 meter per second and it is axial in direction. Take this one. Axial in direction means 92. Alpha 2 is equal to 90 degree. These are the things. As usual, you write velocity triangle. Whatever the problem it is given, you please write down this velocity triangle only. When you write this velocity triangle, as per the given direction, radial vane beta 1 is 90 degree. It will comes here. So beta 1 is equal to 90 degree. Beta 1 when it is comes beta 1 90 degree, VU1 is equal to U1. VU1 is equal to VU1 and VR1 will be coincides with the flow velocity. That inlet flow velocity that will be radial in direction. Okay, getting my point? This is the velocity triangle that is required for your calculation. Please note down this velocity triangle. But this velocity triangle you write down in your answer booklet last pages, just to calculate in the pencil. By using the pencil you write down this one, or in your main sheet only you write in the pencil, and then just to turn this velocity triangle to this one. This is the initial velocity triangle, you want to turn this one to this one as per the given condition. Next, exit velocity triangle. I told you people, as usual you want to write this velocity triangle only. Therefore absolute velocity to exit is 193 meter per second, and it is radial in direction, sorry, axial in direction. It should be axial in direction. Let me change this one, axial. It is axial in direction. If it is radial, the beta 1 will become 90 degree. It is not possible to have such kind of velocity triangle. So it is axial in direction. V2 is equal to Vf2. V2 is equal to axial in direction means flow will be exit. V2 is equal to Vf2. V2 is equal to Vf2. V2 will comes and coincides with this one. So alpha 2 will become 90 degree. Vu2 will become 0. Okay. Next, the inlet velocity triangle, exit velocity triangle. These are the velocity triangle you want to write as per the condition. But in your book, in your some materials, they will give directly this velocity triangle. But it is not possible to have such kind of velocity triangle where you can okay. So Vu1 you are not seeing properly. That's why I Vu1, U2. So these are the velocity triangle. Next, outer diameter 20 meter centimeter, 0.2 meter, inner diameter 0.08, rotor speed or developed power, one rotor speed it is given, absolute velocity, everything you write down properly. So U1, U2, everything it is come. Sorry, this is animation. Okay, U1 you got, U2 you got, everything. So E is equal to Vu1 U1 minus Vu2 U2. Alpha 2 is equal to 90 degree, Vu2 is equal to 0, Vu1 is equal to U1. Put the same value, Vu1 into U1. U1 you have, Vu1 let us find. So U1, see Vu1 is equal to U1, U1 square, you can go for this one. Energy developed is equal to 112.29 kilojoules per kg. What about the GC? Don't bother about the GC, just put value as 1 only. Then power developed, it is given already 150 into 10 to the power of 3, and energy it is given, power developed is equal to energy into mass. Therefore mass flow rate. So mass flow rate you are multiplying, energy it is given, so your mass flow rate will be this one. This is how you want to do the problem. Very basic. Practice properly these velocity triangles. Thank you.